How to replace image in Canva. Let's get started. Launch your Canva. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the picture in which you want to make the change. After you open up the picture, at the left corner you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of elements. Now over here you will find the search box. Over there you can just type in the picture name that you want to replace this image with. Just type in and search for it. With that, different related options will appear. Go ahead and select any of the options that you would like to add in the picture. So I have selected this one. Now I can adjust this. Now I can just place this picture wherever you like. You can also adjust the size. By following the same steps, you can add other pictures as well. All you need to do is search for the picture that you want to add in the picture. Once related options appear, select the one that best suits you and adjust that element with the picture. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily replace image in Canva. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.